Hey friends, welcome back to techkutt, your ultimate destination for the latest gadgets, tech reviews, and Amazon finds. If you love the latest gadgets and top tech on Amazon, then hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for your ultimate tech fix. Today we're diving into the world of powerful, futuristic vacuums that make cleaning not just easy, but exciting. Whether it's pet hair, deep carpet mess, or sticky spills, these vacuums handle it all. So let's get ready to watch these cleaning machines in action. And remember, links to purchase these are in the description below. Starting strong with the Shark A Ultra Robot Vacuum. This isn't just a vacuum, it's like having a personal cleaning assistant. Packed with matrix clean navigation, it covers every inch, leaving no mess behind. Imagine having your vacuum empty itself for up to 60 days. That's hands-free convenience at its best. And with its self-cleaning brush roll, it's perfect for tackling pet hair, making it a top choice for pet owners. And get this, it listens to you. Just tell Alexa or Google Assistant to start cleaning, and it's on it. Next up, we have the Dream L10 Ultra. Talk about a powerful all-in-one. Not only does it vacuum with a whopping 5,300 BR suction, but it also mops. And with its AI-powered navigation, it knows exactly where to go and even adjusts to your floors. Plus, it self-empties and refills itself, so you don't lift a finger for up to 60 days. This is like the luxury SUV of vacuums. If convenience and thoroughness are what you need, this one checks all the boxes. Now, let's talk about the Ecovacs D-Bot N20 Plus, a real powerhouse in a sleek design. With an incredible 8,000 Pascal suction and a 45-day self-emptying base, this robot means business. But here's the kicker. Its anti-tangle technology means no more tangled pet hair, and it's perfect for hardwood, carpets, and tile floors. It even lasts up to 300 minutes on a single charge, making it ideal for larger spaces. This D-Bot isn't just smart, it's got stamina. Meet the Eufy Omni C20, designed to reach places you didn't think were possible. With its ultra-slim 3.35-inch body, it's perfect for those tricky spots under couches and beds. And with 7,000 pascals of suction, it's got serious power for its size. This model is packed with smart features like auto-emptying, mop washing, and drying. It's truly a hands-free experience. So if you want power in a compact design, the Omni C20 is a game changer. Finally, for our wet and dry cleaning needs, we have the Dream H14. This is the ultimate vacuum mop combo with an 18,000 PA suction that tackles both wet and dry messes with ease. It even has a 180 live flat reach, getting under furniture like never before. And when you're done, it has a self-cleaning system with hot water to ensure it's spotless. It's ideal for anyone dealing with sticky messes or looking for a deep, thorough clean. There you have it, folks, the top 5 best vacuum cleaners of 2025. From powerful suction to self-emptying features, these vacuums are designed to make life easier and cleaner. Don't forget, links are in the description if you're ready to grab one of these game changers. And if you love this roundup, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more gadget reviews every week. Until next time, stay clean, stay tech savvy, only with techkutt.